There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. And see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. See what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's don't belong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use, and see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's don't belong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use, and see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's don't belong when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use to see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's don't belong when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use to see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's not belong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. See what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's not belong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. See what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use and see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use and see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use to see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use to see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's don't belong when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use to see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
delete na lang kung ano. Share ko ma'am sa...
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use and see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Welcome back to the second day of our Hyundai Hybrid launch here in Naga. Today, we're shifting gears as we celebrate not just innovation and sustainability, but also creativity, influence, and connection. We are thrilled to have some of the region's most dynamic bloggers and digital storytellers with us today. Your presence adds a fresh and exciting energy to this event, and we truly value the role you play in shaping public conversation, especially when it comes to new technology, mobility, and lifestyle trends. Hyundai's hybrid lineup from Tucson, Kona, Elantra, Santa Fe, and 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙬𝙗 is not just about fuel efficiency or performance. It's about giving drivers a smarter, greener, and more connected way to move and to better to experience and share the story than you, our digital voices. Anyways, guys, good afternoon again. Yesterday, we have this event for the banks and also our trading partners, insurance partners. The car accessories. And now we have our media and content creator visitors.
Yes.
Today, yes.
Ayun. So again, salamat po sa mga pumunta yesterday and sa mga pumunta this morning na mga content creators. Thank you so much for being with us today. And of course, yung mga nandito ngayon, maraming salamat po. Now also, we also would like to acknowledge the content creators who gave time to feature our lineup of hybrids. So first, we would like to thank Naga City Deck, Vanilla Sunshine, 𝙃𝙮𝙪𝙣𝙗𝙗𝙀𝙃, 𝙃𝙮𝙪𝙣𝙗𝙗𝙀, Masaen, 𝙃𝙮𝙪𝙣𝙗𝙗𝙀, Amores Sanria, PGCN, Sentrong Bicolandia, Biyahe ni Bex, and all the way from Daet, Red Ventures Philippines, Wonders of Regay, 𝙃𝙮𝙯𝙗𝙀𝙗𝙀, Orgulyo Kanaga, Tropa Pips MJ, Makakan Kita Bicol, and Libot Kamsur.
And of course, IMJ.
Of course. Again, pasalamat po tayo kay IMJ sa mga gusto magpa-video coverage. May link naman po kay IMJ Interactive in our live. So, give them a message. Also, salamat po sa Urban Wood Caterer and kay Ledtronics. Thank you so much po.
Ayan. Guys, another milestone again for us here in Hyundai Naga na kumbaga nakakataba ng puso yung ganito mga visitors natin, mga guests natin na talagang nagsusupport sa Hyundai Naga. So kami po ay malaking pasasalamat doon po sa mga talagang over-supportive sa amin. By the way po again, we have branch in Legazpi and Daet also. So, Demi, napapahalo yun. Kumbaga, wag na natin patagalin to kasi we have a very beautiful guest today. And of course, syempre, ang importance ng voice of the customer is talagang kailangan po sa isang company. So, we have here Miss Casey.
Of course. So, nandito po with us ang napakagandang Miss Jane Carlos from Palestina, Camarines Sur. Si Ma'am Jane Carlos po, she's one of our loyal and happy customer. She's the first owner of Stargazer X. And also, meron pa siyang isang unit with us, Hyundai Creta GLS. So, Ma'am Jane, thank you for being with us today.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for having me here, Hyundai Naga City. And have a good day.
Thank you, Ma'am Jane. Alam ko sobrang busy mo, Ma'am, sa work, pero yet you are here with us. Maraming salamat po. So, Ma'am Jane, syempre, yung mga customers natin, curious sila kung kamusta din po yung mga naging experience natin with Hyundai. So, may mga konting katanungan din lang po tayo na, Ma'am. So, our first question, Ma'am, is, how did you feel when you first walked into our dealership, Ma'am Jane?
And thank you for the wonderful question. First question.
Pag-universe.
Parang Miss Universe to. Ayan. So, nung pumasok ako dito, I was like, so magical feeling that I've experienced. Kasi nga, napakaganda ng aking salesperson that time. A Wonder Mom and talagang top-notch siya na sales agent ng Hyundai. So, nung pagbukas pa lang ng pinto, alam mo yun, you can feel the energy na talagang yung unit na hinahanap ko is nandito. Sing Smart namin, of course. Ayan. Yun, thank you.
Ay, nakakatuwa naman.
Nakakatuwa, ma'am.
Ay,
Nakakataba ng puso yun.
Ayun.
Oo, kasi, ay ma'am, may
Liwanag.
know po
Yeah.
kung sino yung ahente natin na nag-handle sa inyo.
Ayan, syempre walang iba kundi si Miss Marie France Datiles.
Ay, punta ka nga dito, Miss Franz Atilis. Pakita naman natin
Pakita
yung
naman
ano yung
natin
sales
tong
consult.
isang
Face
So,
reveal.
isa po ito.
Pinakamaganda namin na
Ayan.
ahente.
Oy, madami
Fashion
magsiselos,
show.
Ma'am
Ay,
Joms.
sorry na.
So, isa sa pinakamaganda. Oh, madami silang mga ganda. Ayan, isang hi naman dyan. Okay. Thank you, Miss Franz. So, second question lang, ma'am. Naging madali ba, ma'am, yung paghanap ng model na interesado po kayo? Naging madali po ba yung paghanap mo ng unit with us?
So far, kasi halos naman na, nandito na yung mga units, mas mabilis talaga siya. And then yun nga, dahil nga kay Marie, mas madaling mag-choose doon sa top notch na binigay niya sa akin. So nung naghanap ako ng model, kumbaga, naano niya na sa akin bago pa ako pumunta kung alin ba talaga yung babagay sa lifestyle ko.
So, yung first is the Stargazer, tama po ba? Okay, so you're looking...
And then, dumating after few months si Stargazer X, sabi ko, parang mas bet ko girl si Stargazer X. Kasi parang ito yung X na hindi mo na kailangan balikan kasi nandyan. Diba?
Yan ang ex na pwedeng balikan, ma'am, no?
Parang next na lang Santa Fe naman.
Yeah! Because why not?
Yes. Talagang natin to valued client. France, you have another prospect na unit na pinipili si ma'am. Ayan. So anyway, ma'am, thank you ha. Thank you again sa pagpaunlak sa aming invitation for the interview. What is your memorable part of your visit, ma'am, na dito sa amin? Experience mo? Ano yung pinaka-memorable mo?
So yun na nga, yung finally lumabas na yung Stargazer X. May event kayo nandito, yung parang grand opening and first sneak peek ng unit. So I think I just given birth that time. Mukha pa nga akong buntis. And ito kasi yung first MDRT car ko as an insurance manager. So, nung nakita ko talaga si Stargazer X pa lang, yung preview niya, what more pa nung nirelease na sa akin, di ba? So, yun, napaka-memorable niya talaga. And, dito rin sinelebrate yung, same day nung birthday ng eldest ko, di ba?
Yung launching
Di ba
yun,
napaka-special
Tama.
talaga?
I remember.
O di ba talaga may mga
Maganda kwento.
Ang mga clients natin, maraming kwento, maraming experience sila na na-experience dito sa amin. So talagang nakakataba ng puso na marinig yun sa inyo, ma'am.
Yes.
Siyempre, iba pa rin yung kayo nagsabi, hindi galing sa amin.
Napaka-special talaga and memorable. And even my husband and my kid, syempre, feel na feel talaga nila yung napaka-welcoming nung araw na yun sa one of our milestone as a family. Yan. Thank you, Hyundai Naga.
Ayan. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Si ma'am yung first owner ng Stargazer X natin.
Yes, and soon to be
Ayan.
Hyundai Santa Fe owner.
Yes, manifesting na tayo.
Di ba, ma'am?
Yes.
So,
Ayan.
ayun. Ano na ba yung pinakamalayong na dating ni Stargazer mo, ma'am?
Actually, he's been with us for like, magto 2 years na this October. So, the longest that I've drive, from Naga to Donsol, Sorsogon. So, balikan siya and it was a nice ride. Safe na safe and talaga siya, built-in siya ng mga safety features na bentang-benta sa mga working mom like me na nagta-travel with kids. Yun.
Kasi yung space, di ba, ma'am? Ang ganda ng
Yes.
space, yung
And yung gusto ko yung comfort ng seating, tsaka yung yung parang safety features na tinatawag.
Ay, oo.
Yan.
Kasi si Stargazer X, ma'am, no? Para din sa kaalaman ng lahat. This is the MPV variant that we have na sobrang spacious. Yung third row nito, ma'am, kayang umupo yung mga kahit 6-footer di ba? Spacious. At the same time, tama yung sinabi ni Ma'am Zane, when it comes to safety, talagang priority yan ni Hyundai. Imagine it has 6 airbags. It has these features ng mga forward collision, lane keeping, lane following, which yan yung nag-automatic braking. Naramdaman mo na ba yun, ma'am? Yun. Nag-automatic braking if needed. Pagka medyo, baka antok na si driver, hindi na malaya ni driver, may matatamaan na pala sa likod, or sa side, or even sa
Super
front. Lalo na.
sensing siya.
Yun, di ba, ma'am? Na-feel mo yan, ma'am? Ayan. So, yun yung maganda sa Stargazer natin. And for the price na magkano, ma'am? Di ba, ma'am Zobs?
Yes, 1.348 lang
Yes,
siya.
1,348,000 and you get this amenities, di ba? And of course, right now, ma'am, meron tayo magandang promo with Stargazer. So, i-promote na rin natin, ma'am Zobs, kung ano yung magandang promo natin with Stargazer.
Sabay nyo na, ma'am. Marami
Yes,
tayong
for the-
friends dyan.
Oo nga, oo. For the Stargazer X, we have the 88,000 down payment. Pero kung gusto niyo pang maghabol hanggang 5th of this month, you can avail the 68,000 DP for the
Grabe, ang
Stargazer
baba
X.
doon. Imagine that 68,000 down payment is from around 300 sana yung ika-cash out ni customer. So, 68 na lang. And then, meron tayong entry-level Stargazer, ma'am, na
Yes.
8,000 yung down payment. So, if you are looking for a very affordable unit and will get this very spacious and very futuristic amenities, ayun, Stargazer, 7-seaters na, automatic pa, 8K ang down payment, and it will give you 5 years warranty pa, diba?
Ayun. Ma'am Jane, thank you for the paunlak. Ano po, talagang nakakataba sa amin na marinig sa aming client yung mga ganitong usapan. Kasi syempre, iba pa rin yung talagang sa totoong nagsasabi yung galing sa amin.
Yes.
So, ma'am, thank you.
so much.
Ma'am, baka meron ka din gustong i-invite or something, gusto nyong i-ano sa public para ito na yung chance natin na kumustahin o mag-shoutout tayo dyan sa mga viewers.
Ayan. So, thank you so much, Hyundai Naga, mga ma'am, for this opportunity this afternoon. So, flex ko lang yung company namin. If you're looking for comprehensive life insurance with investment and health critical illness fund, look for FWD Life Philippines Naga branch in diversion. We are the #1 life insurance 2025. Thank you.
Okay,
Ayan.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Ma'am
thank you.
Jane. Thank you so much.
Ayan. Okay. Sige, guys, kasi ko, unang, ano pa lang to, unang pasabog pa lang namin ngayong
diba?
araw.
Siyempre, unang
Oo.
pasabog natin is marinig muna natin yung boses ng ating customers, no? So, we would like, sa lahat po na nanonood ng live natin ngayon, please do like and share our live stream. And madami pa po tayo mga happenings this afternoon. So, watch out for the walk around and in-depth explanation of the features and amenities of our new lineup, especially itong mga hybrid models natin, Ma'am Zoms.
Okay.
So,
Ayan. So, thank you po sa mga nanonood ngayon. Sana mag-stay kayo sa amin kasi marami pa kayong malalaman and marami kayong matututunan this afternoon. Not just only by our cars and also yung iba pa pong bagay na gusto nating malaman sa sasakyan. And first of many here in Naga, in Hyundai Naga. So again po, thank you, Ma'am Jane, for the paunlak sa amin. And by the way, Case, natutuwa ako. May nalaman ako and
may chika ka, ma'am.
Chismis to, chismis. Alam ko may bisita din tayo ngayon na mamaya magpapaunlak sa amin ng interview.
yun.
Yan, yun. First. Yun. First din yun dito sa atin sa Naga. Kasi, pero later na yung first na yun. Kasi marami pa talaga tayong mangyayari sa araw na to.
Yes. Oh.
Ayan.
So, now, Ma'am Zons, para naman na alam ko, ang hapon is, syempre, para mas mabuhayan lalo ang ating mga dugo, ma'am. Meron tayong icebreaker this afternoon.
Oo. Ibahin natin ngayon. Ngayon naman talaga sa live to, may kakanta.
Yes.
May kakanta. So,
Ayun.
yun. One of our finest artist here. Nakikisabay siya. Anyway, sige Casey, pakilala mo na. ang
So,
ating-
our very own, we would like to call on one of our talented sales consultant, Please give a round of applause to our very own Raymark Bobbies.
Christmas made with rich imported chocolate and real milk.
Hello, hello.
Treat yourself good. Ultra comfort.
Hello, hello. They say you know when you know, so let's face it. You had me at hello. Hesitations never helps. How could this be anything else? When all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. Ooh, you can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. One smile, one kiss, the lonely hearts is all that it takes. No, baby, you're on my mind every night, every day. Good vibrations getting loud. How could this be anything else? When all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. Ooh, you can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. Oh, I think they call this love. What could this be between you and me? Oh, all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. Ooh, you can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much. Oh, I think they call. Oh, I think they call. Yes, I think they call this love. This love. Thank you.
Raymark Bobbies. Isa po si Raymark sa aming very talented na SC dito sa Hyundai Naga. Anyways po, of course, hindi lang ibang client yung yung mga client natin na nagbibigay ng katulad ng interview, nagpapaunlak na interview. Guys, wala po siyang edit kasi naka-live kami. Kaya nga, meron pang ganitong mga pamali-mali. But anyways po, kung makikita nyo, mag-isa lang ako dito sa stage ngayon. Kasi stage natin to. Eto po yung surprise namin. We would like to introduce our first owner of Kona here in Naga. Miss Casey, are you there? Andyan ka na ba, Miss Casey? Ayan. Ma'am Casey. So, mag-i-interview po si Ma'am Casey. Interview namin. So, Casey will be do the interview to our first Kona owner here in Naga City. Ayan. Ayun na nga, live tayo guys. So talagang ganito, may konting delay, but worth it po yung makikita nyo ngayon. So, ayan po.
That's mine.
Okay, ayan na si Miss Casey.
So,
Sorry,
naka-live na?
nawala ang inyong host.
Naka-live?
So, ayan. Ayan na,
Okay,
si Miss Casey.
so, andito tayo ngayon sa Service Bay ng Hyundai. Name is Kate.
Hindi abot.
Sige. Sabi mo kay Ma'am Jones, di na kaya. Padyan ko na lang si customer. Pwede ma-video. Pwede ma-video.
Ganito talaga po pag live. Ayan. Okay. Ayan po ang aming office. So, actually po guys, nag-release kasi kami today ng first Kona owner here in Naga. Actually, Kona Premium kasi ang i-release namin sa kanya. Siya yung first Kona Premium owner in the Bicol region. Hybrid Kona. So, ayan po. Ayan. Ayan si Ma'am. Ma'am, thank you.
Ayan, naka-live na ba tayo? Live na?
Yes po, live na.
Ayan, so meron akong kasama ngayong hapon ang napakagandang Ma'am Raquel Sirius. So Ma'am Raquel, doon tayo ma para mas makita po yung beauty natin. Dito tayo, Ma'am.
Yes. Si Ma'am Raquel po, siya yung first Kona Premium owner ng Bicol region.
Ayun.
Ayan.
Okay, so ano to? Ano taga to? Parang shotgun approach lang yung ginawa namin kay Ma'am Raquel. Thank you so much, Ma'am, for being with us this afternoon. Palakpakan natin si Ma'am Raquel. Yon. Thank you, Ma'am. First off, we would like to thank you for choosing Hyundai Kona as your first car, Ma'am. Yan. So, Ma'am, ayan, first question lang po namin, Ma'am, is we would like to ask lang po, kamusta, Ma'am, yung naging buying experience niyo with Kona?
Okay naman, very accommodating ang staff dito. And yun, naipaliwanag ang mga features ng unit. That's why, although naglibot ako sa different,
Brands.
Oo. And then, ito ang napili ko.
Wow, thank you, Ma'am.
Wow, thank you so much, Ma'am. Palakpakan natin si Ma'am Raquel. And Ma'am, we will assure you that you made the right choice po. Hindi lang, Ma'am, dito, Ma'am, sa nabentahan na tayo naman po with Hyundai Naga, hindi po mag-end yung relationship natin na naibenta lang po yung sasakyan. Of course po, when it comes to after sales, Attorney Raquel, maaasahan niyo po kami. Ayan po.
Thank you, Ma'am. Thank you po.
Ayan. So, Ma'am, one last question lang, Ma'am Raquel. What made you decide to choose Kona? Ano po yung nagustuhan niyo po kay Hyundai Kona?
Una po, nung tingnan ko, na-attract ako. Iba yung dating niya. And then, tinignan ko sa loob. And afterwards, yun nga, pinag-explain yung features na hindi ko narinig sa ibang brand. So, sabi ko, syempre, kung pipili ako, yung para sa akin the best. So, yun.
Wow, thank you, ma'am.
Yay!
Thank you.
Nakakataba ng puso as part of Hyundai Naga. Ma'am Raquel, thank you so much po for sharing with us your experience with your buying process with Kona, and welcome to Hyundai Naga family. Yay!
Ma'am, thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you so much, Ma'am
you,
Raquel. And enjoy driving with Hyundai.
Gusto ko palang i-mention si Jo. Siya actually ang explain sa akin ng different features using her laptop.
Yeah.
Although ang husband ko naman ang hindi, ang nakausap ay si Alan.
Okay. Ay, siya. Okay.
And yun, nag-decide kami na ito na nga ang bilhin namin. So thank you kay Alan and then kay Jo.
Currently, ma'am, yung nag-handover sa inyo is also one of our products, especially si Francis. So talagang ang daming features na, ma'am. Currently po kasi, para po sa mga nanonood ngayon, nag-release tayo ng actual ng unit ni Madam Raquel. So, ma'am, thank you po. Thank you po ulit. God bless you po and enjoy driving with Hyundai.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Ayan, sige na. Ayan. Guys, di ba? Live din kami nagre-release ngayon.
Yes.
So,
actually, sana pupunta kami ng likod to show the...
inabot nung
yes, yung reception di na kinaya. But basically, ayun, biglaan lang pong interview yon, and then one happy customer from buying one of our Hyundai Hybrid.
So, yun. Tsaka, tamang-tama din sa ating event today. Yun nga. So, yung kinuha niya is hybrid. Ano po? Hybrid Kona na premium. So, guys, what's the price nga po, Miss Casey, ng hybrid natin na Kona? 1,688,000 lang po siya. And then, yung ating GLS is 1.528.
Yes.
So, yan, guys. Kasi you have two options. Pwede kayo sa GLS and then the premium.
Variant yun.
Yan,
Pero of
okay.
course, if you are looking for a much bigger hybrid, madami din po tayong options. We have naman Tucson, Santa Fe, and our newest flagship SUV, si Palisade.
Yes. But of course, we have a car na hybrid.
Yun.
Which
Yun
is
na nga yun, ma'am. Next.
Yan.
Ayun.
Si Elantra. So, yan.
Magbibig.
Okay. Bago tayo mag-break.
Well, yun. Actually, Ma'am Joms, magkakaroon lang muna tayo ng quick break.
Okay.
And then, watch out for the next live stream para i-showcase naman yung isa sa mga pinakamaganda nating hybrid model. If they are looking for a sedan type hybrid model, meron tayo niyan, ma'am.
Okay.
So, for the next live stream, watch out for the quick walk around of our Hyundai Elantra Hybrid. So, see you in a bit po.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye,
for
and
now.
thank you once again.
Okay, thank you.
do it.
Deserves a reward. Indulge with swiftness. Meet with rich, imported chocolate. Hello, hello.
Oh?
Cover speech.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go.
Yun ah. Okay. And now we're back here at Hyundai Naga. So again, guys, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi namin siya dinidire-diretso. Para at least yung ano natin, yung program natin is talagang ma-emphasize natin each unit, each activity that we have here in Hyundai. Again, guys, I would like to thank our sponsors, Standard Insurance, Babam Care Service, and then our caterer, Urban Wood, and of course, IMJ and Electronics. Ayan. So, Next week po, magkakaroon din ulit kami ng ganitong event, but in Legazpi. So sa mga taga-Albayanos dyan, sana makalating to sa inyo. We have another hybrid revolution launching in Albay, in Legazpi City, our showroom in in Bonot. And also, we have a branch in 𝙃𝙮𝙯𝙚, Camarines Norte. Oh guys, so before the next unit to be presented, I would like to introduce one of our many talents here in Hyundai Naga. And here she is, Miss Jane Ruiz.
Cover speech.
Di ko inakala darating din sa akin nung ako'y nanalangin kay Bathala, naubusan ng pagkin. Bakit umalis nang walang sabi? Bakit di siya lumaban kahit konti? Bakit di maitamang tadhana? At nakita kita sa tagpuan ni Bathala, may kinang sa mata na di maintindihan. Tumingin kung saan sinubukan kong lumisan at tumigil ang mundo nung ako'y ituro mo. Siya ang panalangin ko ako'y pinili mo, siyang panalangin ko.
Ayun, ay, grabe. Ang galing naman talaga, no? So, that is our very own sales consultant, 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙫𝙤. Okay, so marami pa po tayong aabangan, no? Madami pang activities this afternoon. So, please stand by. Isa pa lang po yan sa napakadaming activities and mga ipapresent namin po sa inyo online. Alright, so now, to give you an up-close look at the sleek and stylish Hyundai Elantra, this is perfect for those looking for performance, comfort, and head-turning design. Please welcome our very own 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙗𝙀 to give us a quick walk-around of the Hyundai Elantra Hybrid.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙀, your sales consultant for today. So ngayon, I am excited to share with you guys the sleek and stylish Hyundai Elantra. So, alright. Isang sedan na very, what do you call this? Isang sedan na perfect para sa ating modern style. And thank you for its bold design, of course, sa kanyang smart technology and sa kanyang matipid na performance. So ayan, simulan po natin agad sa kanyang front. Ayan sir, paki-focus. So as you can see po, is very aggressive na po yung parametric drill niya ngayon, grill. And of course, yung LED DRLs niya. And syempre, yung bagong-bagong design na tinatawag namin na shark nose hood na nakadagdag sa pagiging modern looks and especially sa pagiging sporty looking ni Hyundai Elantra. O di ba? Front pa lang yan pero napakaganda talaga ni Hyundai Elantra. Dito naman po tayo sa sa side. So as you can see, very sporty po yung kanyang side profile. Yan po yung tinatawag namin na scoop-like silhouette na sharp edges niya. And of course, si Hyundai Elantra po is equipped po siya ng rim 16 alloy wheels para po sa kanyang premium vibe. Meron din po siyang tinatawag na fastback style na roofline para po sa kanyang added style and of course for better aerodynamics. Ayan, di ba? For front pa lang and side profile ni Elantra is very, very ang ganda na. Wala akong masabi. So dito naman po tayo sa kanyang back profile. So, kung makikita nyo po, very stand out din po sa kanya yung tinatawag namin na H-shape na taillight. Yan. Napaka-futuristic na design. And of course, idagdag pa po natin yung kanyang smart na trunk na very spacious naman talaga. So, all you have to do is just press this button and then aangat na siya. Ayan. So kung titingnan nyo, very spacious naman talaga yung trunk ni Elantra. So if I'm not mistaken, at least 3 regular luggage bag is kasyang-kasya siya sa loob ng trunk ni Elantra. Ayan. So goods po siya for your travel. Like for example, you are planning to go to out of town with your friends and families. Yan. So hindi naman talaga mako-compromise yung trunk na yung space ng trunk na maibibigay ni Hyundai Elantra. Ayan. And then of course, kapag sinabing Hyundai Elantra, sport yan. Sport car, sporty looking. Hindi po mawawala yung kanyang tinatawag namin na sporty rear spoiler. Ayan, sobrang ganda naman talaga. Ang pogi talaga niya. So dito po tayo sa sa interior ni Hyundai Elantra. Ayan. Ayan. So, si Hyundai Elantra gives features a driver, a focus, and of course, a smooth touch na feel sa loob. So, hindi lamang po sa labas maganda si Hyundai Elantra, but of course, sa kanyang loob, yung kanyang interior. And then si Hyundai Elantra is equipped po siya ng 10.2 digital cluster. And of course, yung kanyang 8 inches na touchscreen monitor with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And meron na din po siyang dual zone climate control. Naka-push button na din po siya. And of course, yung kanyang wireless charger. Yan, di ba? Hindi lang sa pagiging gwapo, pagiging good-looking, meron si Hyundai Elantra. And of course, ang ganda din ng kanyang mga amenities and features. So, syempre, aside sa amenities, features natin kay Elantra, hindi rin magpapatalo si Elantra with regards to our safety features. So, si Hyundai Elantra po is equipped po siya ng smart cruise control, forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and of course, yung 6 airbags and yung 2 sensors niya na makikita natin sa rear and front. Ayan, di ba? Talagang full package naman talaga si Hyundai Elantra in terms sa looks, sa features, amenities, and safety. Pero syempre, hindi magpapahuli si Elantra pagdating sa kanyang performance. Pwede pong pa-open. Yan. Hold on. Ayan, si Hyundai Elantra. With regards naman po sa performance ni Hyundai Elantra, si Elantra po is powered by 1.6 liters hybrid engine with 141 horsepower and 147 power of torque. And syempre, si Hyundai Elantra po is equipped ng 6-speed dual clutch transmission na very fuel efficient and very smooth gamitin. Ayan, so wala na kayo talagang mahahanapin pa. Talagang full package na si Hyundai Elantra. Ayan, so if you are looking for a sedan na stylish, na techy, and safe, and of course, na matipid. So all you have to do is just check out our Hyundai Elantra. Ayan, a solid but a value for money of choice. Ayan, so okay po. Si Hyundai Elantra po is meron po siyang 4 variants. So just let us know lang po kung ano po yung mga priorities nyo in terms po sa pag-choose ng variants na meron po si Hyundai Elantra. So yan, patikim pa lang po yan sa makukuha nyong safety features, specs na maano nyo. Na for example, makukuha nyo kapag bumili po kayo ng Hyundai units aside po kay Hyundai Elantra. So sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa aking quick walk around. And then, once again po, I'm 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀. You can visit us here at Rosario, Hyundai Naga City, and of course, sa aming dalawang branches sa Bicol region, which is yung 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀. Ako po ang naka-assign doon, and sa Hyundai Legazpi. So, ayun. Thank you so much. Sana po is nag-enjoy kayo, and see you soon, and God bless us all. Thank you po.
Right. Okay, so and that wraps up our quick walk around with the Hyundai Elantra. Very detailed yung paka-explain ni RK. RK Rioso is our sales consultant in 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙀 Camarines Norte. So, ang showroom po namin sa 𝙃𝙮𝙗 po is malapit lang po siya sa may SM. Same side lang ng SM. 𝙃𝙮𝙗 SM. Ano po? So, feel free to visit our showroom there. Okay? Now, as you saw, it's packed with features from its bold design, advanced safety tech, and fuel-efficient performance. So, as mentioned by RK, diba, si Hyundai Elantra, this is our sedan na hybrid model na, no? So, it's a combination of electric motor and gasoline engine. Napakatipid po. Okay, so to give us a quick break once again, alam ko nag-enjoy ang lahat sa mga intermission number ng aming mga sales consultant. So to give us another quick break and entertainment, may we call on again our very own Raymark Bobbies to entertain us or to serenade us this afternoon.
Kaya as we age, dapat inaalagaan ang kalusugan. Mag-Beverage Adult Plus.
Hello. Hello. I think I finally know you. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I can show you that we have it still worthwhile. Don't you know that love just like a thread that keeps unraveling, but then it ties it back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections in your eyes. Found the answer to my questions in your eyes. I can see more the reasons why our love's alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore. And I think I finally learned to love you more. You warned me that life changes, that no one really knows, whether time would make us strangers or whether time would make us grow. Even though the wind of time will change, in a world that nothing stay the same, through it all our love will still remain. In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections. In your eyes, found the answer to my questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why our love's alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore. And I think I finally learned to love you more. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why our love's alive. You and I, we're drifting safely back to shore. And I think I finally learned to love you more. Thank you.
Grabe naman talaga, no? Napaka-talented ng mga sales consultant dito sa Hyundai Naga. So kung gusto po ninyong pumunta sa showroom at ma-entertain while nag-inquire kayo ng ating mga units, ayan, marami tayong sales consultant na magagaling. Hindi lang po sa pag-explain ng ating mga units, pati na rin po kumanta. And actually, may mga dancer pa nga kami dito eh. Ayan, so, alright, now, ngayon naman, samahan nyo kami as we take a closer look at one of our most stylish and very sporty SUV. Now, to join us and to walk through with this newest hybrid model, let's call on our very own top sales consultant, 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀.
Thank you, Ma'am Casey Bigia. Hi everyone, good afternoon. By the way, I am 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀, Certified Sales Consultant of Hyundai Naga. So for today, ipapakita ko sa inyo isa sa pinaka-powerful SUV in the market which is available here in the Philippines. A bold, sleek, and dynamic design with a fuel-efficient eco-friendly, the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. At the front of the Tucson Hybrid, we have the parametric dual design with the hidden daytime running light together with the LED projector light for more visibility and then stylish. Hyundai Tucson Hybrid equipped with a combined gasoline engine and electric motors for more better economy. At this side, we have the Rim 19 alloy wheels for more classic design, and also we have the 181 ground clearance with the silhouette design bold lines. It is more dynamic design, the aerodynamic, so better for better fuel efficient. And also we have the engine remote start for the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. We also have for the 360 or the surround view camera. We will proceed for the rear. At the rear, we also have the high mount stop lamp for more visibility. We also have the parametric line for the tailgate, the LED lights, and also equipped with the power tailgate. Yun. Pa-unlock. By the way, Hyundai Tucson, pa-unlock po. Si Susie. Okay. For the Tucson, we also have the power tailgate. For the power tailgate, for your convenience, for opening the trunk, this is very spacious for your luggage, groceries, or kung may mga balikbayan tayong mga family, relatives, so mas spacious na yung lalagyan ng mga cargo space natin. So we also have the cargo screen. For the cargo screen, this is for more convenient, para pwede naman na siyang alisin, detachable naman siya. And also, for more spacious, you can use a 60-40 split folded. Yan. And also, for the Hyundai Tucson, inside the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid, mas feel mo yung premium vibe ng hybrid with its 12.3 digital cluster and its 12.3 touchscreen monitor with Apple CarPlay, wireless auto Android, and also this is equipped with a dual zone climate control with a wireless charging. We also have the panoramic sunroof, and this is also equipped with the smart cruise control, the adaptive cruise control. It also have the paddle shifter, the shift backward column, and also for the Tucson, this is leather seats material. So for your convenience, this is more spacious, more classy, premium vibe for Tucson. And then at the rear for the Tucson, this is equipped with the Smart Sense technology, which is the Smart Sense technology. We have the rear occupant alert. For the rear occupant alert, it alerts the driver to check the box seats for passenger or pets. For the lane keeping assist, it gently steers car back if drifting out of lane. And then we also have the blind spot collision avoidance assist. So it warns or brake if the line change would cause or crash. So this is more of a powerful, convenient. This is the looks of the Hyundai Tucson. And also, Hyundai Tucson Hybrid combines gasoline engine with the electric motors for better economy. And also, the Tucson, which has the power of 235 per discharge combined, and also with the torque of 364 Newton meter combined. So for better powerful performance, efficient, this is the Hyundai So guys, if you are looking for the hybrid, fuel-efficient, powerful SUV, go for the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. So once again, I am 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀𝙃, Certified Sales Consultant of Hyundai. If you have more queries, you can visit our showroom here at Rosario, Naga City. To visit, we also have a financing scheme, a trade-in option. We also accept any brand for the trade-in, any brand of unit or year model we accept. We also have dealership at Legazpi, Peñaranda Street, Bunot, Legazpi, and also we have at 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀 Norte. So for more inquiries, you can reach our dealership. Thank you.
All right. Now, and that concludes our walk around for the Hyundai's Tucson. And as you've seen, it's not just about looks. It's built with performance, safety, and comfort. Kung hanap nyo ay SUV na maasahan sa biyahe na may premium features and premium safety amenities, si Hyundai Tucson po ang pwede nating ma-avail, no? So I hope nag-enjoy po tayo and mas nabigyan tayo ng more information with our two units, Hyundai Elantra and Hyundai Tucson. So meron pa po tayong 3 units na i-explain and i-walk through para sa mga kliyente na hindi makapunta ng showroom. Ito po yung ating live walk around na you just have to watch at your office or home. Hindi na nyo kailangan na pumunta pa dito sa showroom. Ayun po, very detailed naman po ang explanation ng ating mga SCs. So kung may mga katanungan po kayo, feel free to message us in our Facebook page. Pero ayun nga po, pagka gusto po nyo pong ma-experience firsthand, visit our dealership here at Hyundai Naga. Located po kami sa Rosario, harap po ng barangay Rosario. So meron din po tayong showroom once again at Legazpi and Hyundai 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀. Okay? So yun na din po ang ating walk around this afternoon. So we will just cut this live stream. Babalik po kami in like 10 minutes for another live stream of our two stunning units, Hyundai Kona and Hyundai Santa Fe. So maraming salamat po. Again, please do like and share our live stream. If you have questions, comment na lang po kayo sa comment section. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Why you calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty? But I hit right back 'cause you got that. Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I say don't look back, but I go back, yeah. All of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk
me tell you a story about my side of town. Lord have mercy, Deo. Lord have mercy, Deo. Lord have mercy, Deo. Lord have mercy, Deo. Johnny was the sweetest kisser, thinking that he would miss her. Little did he know that she would let him go. Mary was a happy girl, living in a different world, grooving all night long and listening to the song. Boys are getting down, sisters fool around. Let me tell you a story about my side of town. Boys are getting down, sisters fool around. Let me tell you a story about my side of town. Bobby was a shooting star, but he didn't get that far. Dreams went up in smoke as he went for the toe. Whatever you like is fine with me. What turns you on and sets you free? Grooving all night long and listening to the song. Boys are getting down, sisters fool around. Let me tell you a story about my side of town. Boys are getting down, sisters fool around. Let me tell you a story about my side of town. My side of town, my side of town. Let me tell you a story about my side of town. My side of town, my side of town. Let me tell you a story about my side of town. Boys are getting down, sisters fool around. Let me tell you a story about my side of town. Boys are getting down, sisters fool around. Let me tell you a story about my side of town. Lord have mercy, Deo. Lord have mercy, Deo. Lord have mercy, Deo. Lord have mercy, Deo. Boys are getting down, sisters fool around. Let me tell you a story about my side of town. Boys are getting down, sisters fool around. Let me tell you a story about my side of town. My side of town. My side of town. Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's don't be wrong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use to see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when I
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. And see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. And see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood.
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use, and see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use, and see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong one. There it goes. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. And see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong one. There it goes. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. And see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my
Hello, hello! We're back! And also, I'm back. Di ba, Case? Nawala lang ako kanina, guys.
Yan.
Oo. Oh, this is our last part of this event. So, before that, Casey?
Yun. So once again, maraming salamat po sa mga content creators na mga pumunta this morning and this afternoon. And also sa mga customers na naging parte din ng ating live stream. To Miss Jane and Attorney Raquel, thank you so much po for sharing your experience with with Hyundai Naga and with your units na inavail sa Hyundai.
Yes, thank you, moms. Talagang sa amin po, sa part namin, nakakataba ng puso na may mga clients na nagbibigay ng kanilang experience and then kung ano yung magandang na feel nila sa kanilang mga sasakyan, which is the Hyundai. Guys, eto na yung mga malapit na tayong matapos with all the specs and units na present namin ngayon. But before that, Casey?
Ayun. So of course, before tayo mag-jump to the walk around of our two stunning SUVs, of course, quick lang tayo, ma'am. Quick intermission number again from one of our very own sales consultant. So now may we call on 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀 from 𝙃𝙮𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀 Norte. Sige po, RK, please serenade us this afternoon.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Round of applause.
I know it has been on your mind. The first look is in your eyes. I thought with time you'd realize it's over. It's not the way I choose to leave, and something someone's got to keep. I share in this relationship. It's older. You know I'd fight for you, but how can I find someone who isn't even there? I had a recipe, now I'm with the best of you. I don't care if that's not fair, 'cause I want it all or nothing at all. There's no left to fall. When you reach the bottom, it's now or never. Is it all, or are we just friends? Is this how it ends? With a simple telephone call, you leave me here with nothing at all. There are times it seems to me I'm sharing you with the memories. I feel it in my heart, but I don't show it. And then there's times you look at me as though I'm all that you can see. Those times I don't believe it's right. I know it. Don't make me promises, baby, you never did know how to keep them well. I had a recipe, now I'm with the best of you. It's time to show and tell, 'cause I want it all or nothing at all. There's no left to fall. When you reach the bottom, it's now or never. Is it all, or are we just friends? Is this how it is? With a simple telephone call, you leave me here with nothing, 'cause you and I could lose it over you. Got no more room inside. for me in your life. 'Cause I want it all or nothing at all. There's no one left to fall. It's now or never. Is it all or nothing at all? There's no one left to fall when you reach the bottom. It's now or never. Is it all or are we just friends? Is this how it ends? With a simple telephone call, you leave me with nothing at all, or nothing at all. There's no one else to fall when you reach the bottom. It's now or never. Is it all, or are we just friends? Is this how it ends? With a simple telephone call, you leave me with nothing at all. Thank you, Araneta. Charis, thank you so much.
Hello. Grabe, what a very heartfelt and napakalamig na intermission number from our very own RK Rios. Again, a round of applause. Grabe, ang galing, no? So, siya po yung nag-walk around kanina for Hyundai Elantra. Talented na sa pag-demo ng unit. Talented pang kumanta. Actually, meron pa yung isang talent mamaya. Sasayaw na yan. Ayan, so, thank you very much, RK. So now, it's time to get to know one of Hyundai's most premium and powerful SUVs na perfect for families and long drive. This 7-seater is packed with comfort, advanced tech, and bold new look. Para i-tour tayo at ipakita ang lahat ng features na dapat nyong makita, let's call in one of our expert sales consultant and top sales consultant of Hyundai Naga, Miss Marie France Datiles.
Hello po. Good afternoon, everyone, especially sa mga nanonood live. Good afternoon over the world, especially here in the Philippines. Naga, 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀𝙃, and hello po sa lahat. And andito na naman po tayo ngayon. By the way, I'm Marie France Castillo Datiles. I'm a certified sales consultant of Hyundai Naga City. Actually po, ngayon, it's our day 2. Grabe, sobrang saya. Kahapon, sobrang saya and sobrang exciting yung naganap kahapon. Lalo na ngayon, kasi it's a content creator day today. And of course, andito na naman po kami para i-discuss sa inyo ang aming one of the flagship SUV po ng Hyundai Philippines and of course, Asian PH natin. And ngayon, samahan niyo ako na ipakita sa inyo ang isa sa pinakamagandang, pinakamatipid na sasakyan na kaka-launch lang talaga namin, which is the Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid, where power meets purpose. Tara! Grabe! Front pa lang sobrang ganda na ng Hyundai Santa Fe. This is a 7 SUV, 7-seaters po. We have 5 variants of Hyundai Santa Fe. This one po is the one of the top of the line, the Hyundai Santa Fe Calligraphy EV. And of course, sa harap pa lang, stand out na agad and ang bold and boxy design with Hyundai signature H-shape LED daytime running lights at wide front grille. Diba? Mapapawo ka na talaga front pa lang. Sobrang ganda niya, sobrang pogi niya. What more pa, kung ida-drive niyo siya sa city drive or adventure trip, the Santa Fe makes a strong impression. Tara, samahan niyo naman ako dito sa side ng Hyundai Santa Fe. Front pa lang, mapapawaw ka na. What more pa pag nandito na tayo sa side ng Hyundai Santa Fe? Si Hyundai Santa Fe po, they have 20-inch alloy wheels. Yan. And of course, muscular fenders at clean profile. Tough, yet elegant ang dating. And of course, meron ako dito sa inyong ipapakita na which is small pero sobrang easy access siya. Ang meron lang po nito is yung Hyundai Santa Fe calligraphy and of course the HEV natin na Santa Fe. This one is the safe handle. Pakita ko sa inyo, tawagin ko si Mr. K para mapakita sa inyo kung paano siya i-access. Actually po, ito nalalak po yan. So, pwede nyo po siyang i-lock, pwede rin po siyang i-open. And itong safe handle natin, maganda po ito kapag halimbawa may kukunin po kayo sa taas na gamit, at the same time lilinisan nyo yung taas, hindi na kayo mahihirapan kasi pwede kayong humawak dito, naapak po kayo dito sa gulong. And I'm gonna show you po, and papakita po sa inyo ni Kay. Kay, pakita mo nga po, Kay. Yan. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kataas si Kay and kung gaano kabigat si Kay. Kayang-kaya po yan ni Hyundai Santa Fe. Ganyan kaganda si Hyundai Santa Fe. Kay, okay lang matanong ko kung ilang kilo ka, Kay?
I'm 88 kilogram po.
Grabe, 88 kilogram. Pero alam nyo ba, kahit 100 kilos kayo, pwede po kayong tumuntong dito and humawak dito sa safe handle po ni Hyundai Santa Fe. And hindi lang yan, sobrang dami pa pong features na talagang may purpose si Hyundai Santa Fe. And let's go and proceed naman po tayo sa likod ni Hyundai Santa Fe. And yan, sobrang ganda, sobrang boxy type and sexy ni Hyundai Santa Fe. And of course, naka-power tailgate na rin po. Smart and power tailgate na rin po yan. Hello, what? Ayan, hindi ko na open ng Hyundai Santa Fe. Yan. Yan. And kung titingnan natin sa Hyundai Santa Fe, very wide ng likod ng Hyundai Santa Fe. Hindi siya nabubukas. Mabukasan lang natin. Sa mga nanonood, this is live. So pag may mga ganyang technical error talagang mangyayari talaga yan. Pero kung nandito po kayo sa Naga or sa Legazpi, 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀, you can check actual unit po para mas makita nyo po talaga siyang personal. Iba kasi pag sa TV, iba pag sa social media. But once you're here in personal, sobrang mapapawaw ka talaga sa Hyundai Santa Fe natin. And of course, they have a 50-50 split folding rin po dyan. May mga button din po dyan na easy access sa sasakyan natin. And tingnan naman natin dito sa loob. Of course, meron naman po tayo pagpasok mo pa lang, premium agad ang feel mo dito sa Hyundai Santa Fe. Very panoramic curved display with 12.3-inch digital cluster. Touchscreen wireless na rin po si Hyundai Santa Fe. With Apple CarPlay, naka-audio and auto-wireless digital na rin po yan. And of course, kung papansin nyo, naka-sunroof na rin po si Hyundai Santa Fe. And ito pa ang maganda. Alam nyo ba, we have a trivia po for the Hyundai Santa Fe. Na-conceptualize po ito si Hyundai Santa Fe nung panahon ng pandemic. That's why they have a sterilization. Kung saan, kung particular ka sa cleanliness and of course sa mga phone natin, kung saan-saan natin na ilalagay, pwede po natin siyang ilagay yung mga phone natin or gamit or money dito po sa sterilization ng parts ng sakyan natin. I'm gonna show you po. Yan, diba? Ganyan kaganda si Hyundai Santa Fe and ganyan ka-spacious si Hyundai Santa Fe. And of course, kung papansin ninyo, very spacious po yung legroom ni Hyundai Santa Fe. And syempre, of course, sa mga nanonood po, we invite you guys to come over here in our showroom, here in Hyundai Naga, or sa Legazpi po sa mga taga-Legazpi, sa mga taga-𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙀. Feel free po to book a test drive or appointment po sa page namin. And pwede nyo rin po kaming hanapin ng mga Hyundai agents po dito. Ano po? And of course, let's go naman po sa front ng sasakyan natin. Yan. When it comes to under the hood naman, yan. Actually, alam nyo maganda dito sa Hyundai Santa Fe, equipped na rin po siya ng hydraulic. So, sa mga girls po na they're planning to get a bulky and sexy, bold, na akala mo pang lalaki lang, eto sobrang ganda nito, pwedeng-pwede sa atin kasi hindi ka na mahihirapan magtaas ng hood, lalo na sobrang bigat po ng bakal ni Hyundai. It's because we have our own manufacturer po ng bakal sa Korea, kaya sobrang quality po talaga ni Hyundai pagdating po sa ganyan. And this one po is the HEV with 1.6 liter. Turbo na rin po yan. And ang maganda dito po, this one po is combined power na rin po yan ng 235 horsepower at 367 Nm torque. Grabe diba? Super tipid, smooth at ready sa long drives of our daily use. And of course, fully loaded na rin po si Hyundai Santa Fe when it comes to our Smart Sense technology. Ano yung mga Smart Sense technology na meron dito sa Hyundai Santa Fe? Of course, they have a lane keeping assist, forward collision avoidance assist, they have a 360 camera, they have also the sensors front, backs, and they have the sensors also sa mga sides natin. And pinaka-advantage po dito sa Hyundai Santa Fe, this one po, ang technology po na meron tayo dito sa makina niya is naka-parallel engine na rin po siya. Ibig sabihin po, super tipid niya and magkaiwalay na po yung makina and yung makina for the ICE and for the electric. Kaya super tipid po ng Hyundai Santa Fe natin na hybrid. Pero if you're looking for power, we have ICE na turbo po. And ito pa pinakamaganda sa Hyundai Santa Fe natin, which is nakakaiba po sa iba na meron po dito sa Hyundai. Imagine, we offer 5 years warranty for the ICE engine natin, bumper to bumper. Of course, was sinabing bumper to bumper, kasama na po sa warranty natin in 5 years yung makina, transmission, drive shaft, drive axle, even the suspension po is part of the warranty. Ito pa ang good news. The warranty of our electric or HEV natin is 8 years po. Yes, you heard it right. Kaya sobrang ganda, sulit yung perang kukunin nyo po at ilalabas nyo po dito sa Hyundai car natin. Talagang super tipid and super smooth po pag si Hyundai Santa Fe po yung kinuha nyo. And of course, if you're looking for the SUV that's stylish, advanced, and family ready, check out all new Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. And kapag nag-aano po kayo and plano nyo pumunta dito, just look for me po. I'm Franz Datiles, your certified sales consultant, and I hope to see you here po. Thank you so much.
All right, so thank you so much, Franz, for that detailed and exciting walk around for the Hyundai Santa Fe. Grabe, very impressive naman talaga ang features and amenities nitong Hyundai Santa Fe. So thank you so much, Franz, for that very detailed and very informative walk around of the Hyundai Santa Fe. So again, sa mga gustong makita pa rin to up close, feel free to visit our dealership. Nandito po tayo sa Rosario, Naga City. And if you have questions, comment lang po kayo sa comment section or directly message us sa Facebook namin. Okay? And para sa mga nag-view nitong live stream namin, please like and share our live stream. So this is our third part of the live stream this afternoon. Okay, so talaga naman napaka-talented. Ang sarap ng mga entertainers natin this afternoon. Sarap pakinggan, no? Ngayon, icebreaker ulit tayo. Meron naman tayo isang napakagandang dilag na magsiserenade sa atin this afternoon. So may we call on our very own sales consultant once again. So nasa Hyundai Naga lang po ang ating mga entertainers, no? Let us call on Jane Service for her singing entertainment. A round of applause.
breath. I am but a traveler in most every way. Ask me what you want to know. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my light, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has. I have been to sorrow, I have been to bliss. Where I'll be tomorrow, I can only guess. Through the darkest desert, through the deepest snow, forward, always forward I go. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my light, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. Forward, always forward. Onward, always up. Catching every drop in my empty cup. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been.
Ayun, palakpakan naman natin si Zane Ruiz. Napakalamig ng kanyang boses. Thank you again, Zane, for that very wonderful performance. And so, meron pa tayo mga exciting entertainers later on, no? So, next up, let's take a closer look at one of Hyundai's most stylish and fun to drive SUV. This is our compact, sporty, and packed with features, the Hyundai Kona. It is perfect for those who want performance, personality, and everyday practicality. To walk us through an exciting design and smart features, let us all welcome our top sales consultant, 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀.
Ayun. So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀, Certified Sales Consultant of Hyundai Naga. Today, I'm pleased to present the newest additional SUV lineup, the all-new Hyundai Kona Hybrid. Isang eco-friendly at tech-loaded subcompact SUV. Perfect sa city at long drive. Available ito sa GLS at premium variant. What we have here is the GLS variant. Unang mapapansin, ang wide grille, seamless LED daytime running light at LED headlamp. Multi-faceted reflector for GLS, while projector LED headlamp for premium variant. Dito pa. So yan. Side view show-offs its sporty design with its roof rail and stylish rim 17 and rim 18 naman for premium. So ayan, napaka-sporty ng ating Hyundai Kona. So dito sa side na to, dito nyo makikita yung ating C-shape. Yan. And dito naman sa likod, both have LED tail lamp, rear spoiler, at burst-slick bumper design. Tapos dito po. Pagpasok mo, very modern ang feel. You will be greeted with its single panel, 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and a 12.3-inch digital instrumental cluster. Also comes with smart key at push start and engine remote start function. With leather seats and 10-way driver power seat and dual zone auto climate control. Yan, napaka-loaded talaga tayo ng mga features. And of course, safety is the top priority of Hyundai. 6 airbag is standard for both variants. It comes with anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, electronic stability control, and hill start assist. Premium variant also gets 360 camera with blind spot view monitor and also 360 parking sensor, lane following assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, and a smart cruise control. Napakadami ng ating mga safety features. Dito po yan sa ating Hyundai Kona. Then, let's pop the hood. Okay. Ay, sige, dun ka na sa. Under the hood, it's a 1.6-liter hybrid engine plus electric motor, getting a combined power output of 141 per the start, 144 Newton meters of torque, mated to a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission. Talagang matipid sa gas at very smooth ang takbo natin. So kung ang hanap mo isang stylish, practical at fuel-efficient SUV, the all-new Hyundai Kona Hybrid is worth checking out. Once again, I'm Charmaine Sarte Abunita, a certified sales consultant here at Hyundai Naga. So, visit po kayo dito sa amin, located at Zone 3 Maharlika Highway, Barangay del Rosario, Naga City. Drive safe with us. Thank you po.
All right. So, thank you so much, Charmaine, for that fun and informative walk around. Palakpakan naman natin si Charmaine, no? So, Hyundai Kona, no? Very stylish, smart, and compact para sa kaalaman ng lahat. Kona po, actually, dati na natin siyang nasa lineup. So, it's actually a big comeback for Kona, and this time, it came back with a bang, no? It is now hybrid. So again, when we talk about hybrid, it's a combination of electric motor and gasoline engine para ma-maximize ang fuel efficiency ng ating mga sasakyan. Ayun, so alam ko ang mga viewers natin ay nag-e-enjoy na marinig ang mga boses ng ating mga sales consultant. Alright, so again, thank you po sa mga nanonood pa sa ating live stream. Pa-like and share naman po ng aming live stream. At the same time, if you have questions, feel free to message us or comment po kayo sa comment section. Okay. Alright, so for the last entertainer for this afternoon, may we call on 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙗𝙗. Okay? O, bago umuwi mo na ang aming sales consultant from Daet, i-serenade naman ulit tayo, no? Okay, RK, thank you so much. Okay, a round of applause ulit for 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙗𝙗.
Hey, sir. Grabe ka.
Ipabaon ang favorite na lang siya.
Pwede pong kusog-kusogan kasi dito. I saw an old friend of ours today. She asked about you. I didn't quite know what to say. Heard you've been making the rounds around here. Well, I've been trying to make tears disappear. Now I'm almost over you. I've almost shook these blues. So when you come back around after painting the town, you see I'm almost over you. You're such a sly one with your cold, cold heart. May believing came easy, but it tore me apart. Time heals all, they say, and I should know, 'cause it seems like forever, but I'm letting you go. Now I'm almost over you. I've almost shook these blues. So when you come back around after painting the town, you see I'm almost over you. I can forgive you, and soon I'll forget all my shattered dreams. Although you left me with nothing to show for love misery. Now I'm almost over you. I've is blues. So when you come back around after painting the town, you see I'm almost over you. So when you come back around after painting the town, you see I'm almost over you. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you so much, Arke. Grabe, nakapag 2 sets ang mga ahente natin dito. Ang gagaling kumanta. So, ayun. So, sabi nga yan, wait, there's more. So, this afternoon, we were able to walk through our 4 units. We have the Hyundai Elantra, Hyundai Tucson, Hyundai Santa Fe, and of course, our newest lineup, Hyundai Kona. So again po, sa mga interested sa ating new hybrid models, feel free to visit our showroom here in Del Rosario. Pero yun nga, no, wait, there's more. Alright, so meron tayong additional SUV, our premium flagship full-size SUV, our Hyundai Palisade. Okay, so let me share with you kung gaano din kaganda itong Hyundai Palisade natin. So samahan niyo po ako na pumunta dito sa ating Hyundai Palisade. Sir Ian? Okay, so I'm very excited to show you our all-new Hyundai Palisade, which is now officially available here in Hyundai Naga City. This is Hyundai's flagship SUV, very luxurious, powerful, and now hybrid. So look at the front fascia. Napaka-sporty and napaka-modern naman talaga tignan, diba? We have this bold parametric shield grille flanked by vertical LED headlamps with signature full with LED light bar. So premium naman talaga tignan. Front fascia pa lang, it is striking and futuristic. Now let's take a look at on the side naman. So at the side, you'll see it's true full-size SUV. Over 5 meters po yung haba niya, no? Riding on massive 21-inch alloy wheels. And yes, it comes with smart power tailgate. Sa likod naman po tayo. Pakita natin yung likod nitong Hyundai Palisade. So it comes with, of course, our radar. Comes to camera, no? It has surround view monitor. So 360 yung camera nito. At the same time, pati yung parking sensors is side, sa likod, sa front, and sa side din. So 360 din yung parking sensors nito. Okay? Now let's step inside. Check naman natin yung sa second row seats muna, no? So, wow. This is actually very premium looking. So ito po yung second row seats ng Hyundai Palisade. Of course, sa second row seats, yung upuan natin, this is equipped with Napa leather seats. And at the same time, power buttons na rin po yan. Okay? Now also, kagandahan po dito is it is equipped with captain chairs once again. And both front and second row seats are ventilated and heated. And even offer relaxation mode. Sa third row, actually, not only 2 people can fit there. Even 3 sila kaya, no? Ganyan po ka-spacious ang ating Hyundai Palisade. Okay, dito naman sa side, meron tong window curtain. So, in addition to tint, so alam naman natin sa Pilipinas, no? Napakainit. So, in addition, pwede po natin yang gamitin. Okay, sarado po natin. Okay? Now, of course, this Hyundai Palisade, it comes with 12.3-inch digital cluster and another 12.3 touchscreen infotainment. And ang speakers po niyaan is Bose Premium Sound System. This also comes with UVC sterilizing tray. So, yung mga wallet, mga cellphone, pwede natin siyang i-sterilize, no? So, also comes with the interior, comes with the ambient mood light, wireless charging, and even fingerprint authentication for the driver. Not only that, no? Itong buttons here is meron siyang tinatawag na integrated memory seats. So, pwede mo siyang iset yung sitting configuration ng driver. So, you have 2 settings for that. Okay? Now, under the hood, okay, buksan natin para makita ng ating viewers kung gaano kalaki yung makina nito. Okay, just like Hyundai Santa Fe, it is also hydraulic. So, easy na po yung lifting ng ating hood. So, it is powered by a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor and gasoline engine. So, it can produce 335 furthest torque, 422 Newton-meter of torque. Napakalakas at napakabilis naman talaga. So, of course, it is mated with 6-speed automatic transmission with 4x4 powertrain system. So, yung 4x4 po natin is, we call it H-track. So, yung H-track system natin po is, basically, it's all-wheel drive kung saan mas kailangan ng power if it's sa front wheels or sa rear wheels. Napaka-smart na po ng sasakyan natin na siya na po yung nagde-dictate kung saan mas kailangan ng power, kung sa front wheels ba or sa rear wheels. Ganun po kaganda ang 4x4 system natin. And of course, when it comes to safety, alam naman natin na si Hyundai, yan po ang priority, no? Of course, it comes with surround view monitor, blind spot view monitor, forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, lane following assist, 360 parking sensors, rear occupant alert with radar, smart cruise control, and a lot more. Actually, when it comes to safety rating, 5-star po ang rating natin. Not only with Palisade, to all our units, it's either 5 or 4-star. So, premium po ang ating mga safety rating. Now, for Palisade, 5-star po siya. Okay? Perfect for long family trips or executive rides. So if you are looking for luxury SUV that is spacious, high-tech, fuel-efficient, and future-ready, the all-new Hyundai Palisade Turbo Hybrid is the one. This is available now for $3.9 million, backed by 5 years warranty and 8 years warranty on the battery. So visit us here in Hyundai Naga to know more about this unit. So yon. So that is our premium full-size Palisade. Available po dito sa Hyundai Naga. So for those who wish to avail one of our hybrid models, feel free to check out our units. Alright? So thank you so much po sa lahat ng nakasama natin sa live stream. Now naman po, let us call on our very beautiful sales manager, no? For our closing remarks. Hello, Ma'am Zos. Na-miss kita, Ma'am Zos.
Thank you naman, Casey. Gusto ko yung beautiful.
Of course.
Anyways, guys, ayan. Okay na. Na-introduce na natin ang lahat ng ating hybrid models for Hyundai Naga. Sorry, Ma'am. Hello, Ayan. Okay. Yun na nga, sabi ko, na-introduce na natin lahat ng hybrid natin na models, especially yung Palisade na ihabol. Kasi guys, andito na po yung Hyundai Palisade na hybrid. Okay? So, yung ating hybrid Palisade is by order po siya. So, kung interested po kayo for the Palisade, contact our office or your our beautiful SCs and handsome SCs. Yung mga kakilala nyo po ahead na dito. Mag-order na lang kayo sa kanila. Or even us, even kay Ma'am Casey. And
to our page.
Yes. And also sa aming page, yung Hyundai Naga City Bicol, Hyundai Legazpi City, and then
Hyundai Daet. Ayan. Okay, so grabe, Ma'am Zoms.
Yes,
Very detailed and very informative itong hapon natin, ma'am. Starting with our Hyundai Elantra to our SUVs, Hyundai Tucson, Hyundai Santa Fe, and of course, our new lineup na si Hyundai Kona. And may additional pa, no, si Hyundai Palisade. So, Ma'am Zoms, I know a lot of people are asking, ano ba talaga ang advantage ng Hyundai Hybrid? Madami na rin kasing hybrid in the market. We all know that. Pero ano yung maganda sa Hyundai Hybrid?
Sige nga, Case, please.
Yeah.
Paliwanag mo ulit sa amin yung kung bakit Hyundai Hybrid ang kukunin namin.
Yan,
Nila.
okay. So aside, Ma'am Zoms, na pag sinabing hybrid, it's a combination of electric motor and gasoline engine. Of course, yung main purpose niyan is for maximize fuel consumption. So kung ikukumpara natin siya sa gasoline engine alone or diesel engine alone, mas matipid po ito ng 30 to 50%. Ganyan po siya katipid, Ma'am Zoms. Kagaya na nasabi ko kahapon, meron tayong customer na merong Ioniq. He's been using his Ioniq for 7 years. And sabi niya po, ang pinakamatipid niya pong na-drive with this hybrid is 60 km per liter. Pero yun po talaga, hindi po siya nag-overtake. Trinay niya lang kung gaano katipid itong si hybrid niya. Now, ano naman po yung maganda kay Hyundai, Ma'am Zoms? Okay, first things first, si Hyundai po na hybrid, matagal na po tayong may hybrid. Di ba, Ma'am Zoms? Alam natin yan. Okay. Dati meron tayong hybrid. Anong unit yan, Ma'am Zoms?
Yung Ioniq.
Ioniq. Actually, Ma'am Zoms, hindi lang po yun yung dating hybrid natin. Sonata Hybrid, it's a full-size sedan. Dati na po siyang may hybrid. And we've been using this technology for 10 years. 10 years na po ang hybrid technology ni Hyundai. So it's proven and tested for many, many years. So madami pong nagsisilabas ang mga hybrid models nowadays. Ang kagandahan lang po natin is matagal na po tayong proven and tested, Ma'am Zoms. And also, hindi complicated yung hybrid natin. We call it parallel hybrid and non-plug-in. Hindi po ito kailangan i-charge. So, nagsa-self-charging po ang hybrid natin through regenerative braking. So, walang hassle for the customer na i-charge pa yung electric motor. So, very hassle-free. And when it comes to battery, ito, Ma'am Jones, alam naman natin hindi maglalast yan ng 10 years kung hindi maganda yung battery ng ating sasakyan, di ba? Isa po yan sa mga indicator na even halimbawa 5 to 10 years from now, in case mo na ibebenta mo yung sasakyan mo, maganda pa rin yung resale value kasi maganda po yung quality ng battery natin. Maganda po sa lithium-ion polymer na meron kay Hyundai, mas magaan, mas compact, unlike dun sa mga LFP na battery ng ibang brand. Ano po? So, yun po yung mas maganda, mas magaan. Alam naman po natin, pagka magaan, matipid ang performance. Higher po yung power output at mas stable sa init o malamig na panahon. And when it comes to after sales, Ma'am Zoms, si Hyundai po, we have service centers, a lot of service centers all over the Philippines. So wala po silang problema when it comes to after sales. Kasi we've been in this market for many years. So yun naman po yung pinaka-advantage ni Hyundai. So kung titingnan natin, hindi complicated, hassle-free, and proven and tested. And the battery-wise, again, ulitin ko lang, 8 years warranty, magaan, at mas matagal ang performance na ito, ma'am.
Wow. So, yan. Guys, di ba?
Ayun.
Kung bibili po kayo ng hybrid, please do get our hybrid here in Hyundai Naga.
Yes.
Please consider yung hybrid namin kasi yun na nga, sabi nila, habang hindi mo natetest yung isang sasakyan or isang unit, medyo talaga meron kayong doubt.
Yun.
But dahil nga po may mga nakagamit na, meron na kaming dati pa.
Oh, yes. And no recall, Ma'am Joms. We have no recall ever since. Yun po yung maganda kay Hyundai.
Actually po, aside from hybrid, we also have EV. Full EV.
Full EV, yes.
We have the Ioniq 5, Ioniq 6, and then ngayon po may
Ioniq
bago,
9.
yung Ioniq 9.
Yes.
So may full EV din po si Hyundai. So ngayon po, hopefully, makapag-introduce kami ng EV dito din sa Naga. Though it's already in the market, But we suggest i-try niyo po si hybrid natin. Ayan.
So we have a lot of options. Again, for hybrid, ayun no, may sedan tayo. We have small SUV, compact SUV, and of course, 7-seaters na mid-size and full-size SUV. Yeah. Thank you so much po again for those who joined us this 2 days back-to-back event.
Yes. Before that po, gusto namin ulit magpasalamat sa ating mga sponsors.
Ayun.
Yan, si Ma'am Leslie, the Standard Insurance Naga, and then Babam Car Care Service, and then also the Caterer Urban Wood, and then of course IMJ Interactive, ang aming favorite.
IMJ Interactive, napakagaling.
Oo. And also, syempre, gusto namin pasalamatan si Sir Eugene Pachica, our head here in Hyundai Naga. And then, of course,
Electronics, ma'am.
Electronics pa pala. Thank you. And lahat po ng staff namin ng Hyundai Naga City. Thank you din sa kanilang support. And also, yung mga sales team ko dyan, ang sales team namin dyan na magaganda, hindi lang maganda, magagaling pa, talented pa. So, yan. I expect na madami silang benta.
Ayun, yan naman talaga. Ang purpose ng event natin.
Yes. Oo, yun talaga yung tunay na laban. But anyways, guys, hindi lang po ito yung huli nyo kami makikita sa ere. Wow, Eric, Casey, parang may gusto tayong mangyari.
Ayun.
Oo. So magkakaroon na ba ng sariling
talk show.
Ang Hyundai Naga?
Pwede.
Diba?
Bakit hindi, Ma'am Jones? Para magkakaroon tayo ng mga quick talk show about various topics.
Yes,
and topics, little information about the process and
Yes.
all units that we have. So, gawin natin to in more,
Once a week?
Once a week, yes, Ma'am
Oo,
Jones.
kasi ito yung mga big event natin. Meron kami mga events din na mga simple lang na makikita nyo online.
Yan.
And guys, please, August 7 and 8, meron din pong mangyayaring launching ng hybrid sa Albay, sa Legazpi. So, we are inviting all Albayanos, even mga taga Sorsogon, Catanduanes, and Masbate. Pwede kayong mag-visit doon sa aming
And mga content
branch.
creators. Message us para...
Yes. If you want to be part of our event, kindly PM us para po sa Albay, doon sa Legazpi natin. So yung mga vloggers, content creator, media, so visit kayo sa amin. Yan, bago tayo magtapos, Casey, I would like to share some message. Ano pa?
Give it away, Ma'am Jones.
Ayan. As we come to the close of this remarkable 2-day journey, we want to take a moment to express our deepest appreciation to all of you. Our Hyundai team, valued guests, content creators, partners, and customers for making the Hyundai hybrid launch in Naga truly meaningful and memorable. Over the past 2 days, we didn't just unveil new vehicles. We launched a vision, a future that's smarter, more sustainable, and deeply connected to the evolving lifestyle of every Filipino. From the dynamic test drives to the insightful conversations and the stories shared both online and on ground, you've all become part of Hyundai's mission to move mobility forward. To our bloggers and vloggers, thank you for helping us amplify this message. Your creativity and voice bring life to our vehicles far beyond the showrooms. And to our partners in Hyundai Motor Philippines, your leadership and support continue to inspire excellence across every dealership. To everyone who walked with us, talked with us, drove with us, and celebrated with us, thank you. This may be the end of our event here, but it's just the beginning of a new chapter for Hyundai and for the future of driving. Let's continue driving together with passion, with purpose, and with pride. Maraming salamat po and see you on the road. Casey.
Yan, napaka heartwarming closing remarks ng ating sales manager. So kami po sa Hyundai Naga, we are dedicated not only in selling our units, but also when it comes to after sales.
Yes.
So maasahan niyo po kami sa journey ninyo with your brand new cars, in your day-to-day life with your car. So again, if you have questions, if you want to see our units up front, feel free again to visit us here in Hyundai Naga City. We are open from Monday to Sunday, hindi naman 24/7, but basically, wala tayong, nag-albahan yung mga ahente ko.
Open po. Yung showroom is open until 7 p.m.
7 p.m.
Yes.
Yun.
Monday to Sunday. Yan.
Not only in Naga, but also Ma'am Jones, in Legazpi and 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀. Open po tayo ng Monday to Sunday. Even po holidays, open po kami. Para at least makita nyo po, upfront yung lahat ng lineup natin. Not only this hybrid models, but all other units that we have. Ano po ba yung other units natin, Ma'am Jones?
Ayan, meron tayong Stargazer, Creta, and then the H100.
H100 for business.
Yes, Staria. Ano pa yung nakalimutan?
Costin, yes ma'am.
Yan.
And even mga trucks and buses, di ba? If they are want to check our price for trucks and buses, sige po. Punta lang po kayo dito to know more about the amenities, features, and promos.
Ayan, thank you and shout out to my loves.
Ayan.
Hello, Han.
Ako din naman, syempre, shout out to my lovey-dovey, Carlo, and to my two little kids, Cora and then Ethan. And shout out din daw sa mga kay Alvin Abonita. Shout out din para kay Glyza ni Raymond.
Wow, Glyza.
Shout out para kay Gino Abreanes.
Ayan.
Shout out.
Never mind.
John Victor ng 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙀.
Shout out.
And to my co-supervisor, Mamafe.
Yes, Mafe, where are you?
And our sales admin team.
Ayun pala siya.
Pakita naman. Mamafe, come here.
Halika ka dito.
Halika dito.
Halika. Kasi siya yung shy type. Kaya guys, kami talaga pagsasawaan niyo. Si Ma'am Mape, siya yung backroom namin na supervisor din namin, kaya na mahihain siya. Pero marunong siyang sumayaw.
Magaling.
Okay.
Saan ka kumanta?
Shout out kay Jim.
Dati
friends. Ayan.
Kay si Jo.
Si Jo. Ayan. Kay ano niya,
Labi-labi ni Jo.
Anyways guys, alam ko kayo ay uuwi pa or kung nasa bahay man kayo, thank you po sa panunood. This will not be the last. Marami pa kaming surprises na darating. Marami pa kaming surprises for you.
Yes.
And alam ko matutuwa kayo mga Hyundai lovers dyan. Matutuwa kayo sa good news.
Let's make this happen every week.
I will not spoil the mood. Kasi baka may banggit ko. Pero may surprise kami guys.
For you.
And alam ko ang magugustuhan nyo to. So before the quarter ends.
Yun, Ma'am Jones.
Ako, na-excite ako dito. Another launching na naman to IMJ.
Yun. Ang dami, Ma'am Jones, na mga darating na gagandang units. Hindi pa po tapos sa mga surprise na Hyundai Motors Philippines. So, madami pa po tayong aabangan.
Yes. So, guys, thank you po. Thanks sa panonood.
Again, thank you. Please like and share our live stream today. And pag may questions, feel free to message us. Once again, thank you very much in a brand new day with Hyundai. Yay!